Christmas and welcome to Arion and Zhane's world. Today is a Justin Takeover. And in a few hours, my brothers and I were gonna go see the Warriors play the Los Angeles Lakers, my favorite team. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Merry Christmas. So we finally pulled up, Oracle Arena. What you got to say? You hype?
Yeah, I'm sleepy though.
Out night, and we got the last 3 shirts that they gave out in the whole arena. The last 3.
The Star Spangled Banner. Please welcome Joey Sausage.
Joey Sausage.
LeBron James.
Got 1 quarter down. What do you think of the game so far?
Lakers about to win.
All right, right now the Lakers are up 32-25. So, yeah, it's a good game. We'll keep you posted. Bro, I got the... All right, we out. All right, Joe, so it's halftime. The Lakers are up 65-50. It's gonna be a long video, man. All right, anyway. Yeah, the Lakers are up 65-50. It's a pretty good game so far. You know, I'm really trying to wait for Curry to go off. Curry hasn't really done nothing. Neither has Draymond or Iguodala. So, we'll see. It's a good game, though. Up. It's 76-73. Now this is a game. 91-82. Lakers are still up. Let's get it. It's a good game. All right, 117-94. It's a wrap. The Lakers did it. We came, we saw, we conquered, and now it's time to go home. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching the vlog, the takeover. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.